Students, in this video we are going to learn ASR flip-flop using NAND gate. As we have already learned that there are two types of latch, ASR latch, either using NAND gate or using NOR gate. So here also flip-flop, which one used NAND gate and one used NOR gate. Okay, so in order to understand the ASR flip-flop using NAND gate, we have to remember the NAND latch, as NAND flip-flop is always constructed by using NAND latch with some extra additional logic gate to effect clock signal in the circuit. So the truth table of ASR latches, this is our ASR latch using NAND gate, and our ASR latch is when S and R are 0 0, it is forbid, it is just reverse of ASR latch using NOR gate. NAND gate and NOR gate are just reverse. Here S and R, when both are 0, then output is forbidden. When here for set condition, when S is 0, the flip-flop becomes set. But in ASR latch using NOR gate, the flip-flop becomes set when S is 1. Okay, and when S1 R 0, that is when R is 0, the flip-flop becomes reset. But in ASR latch using NOR gate, when R is 1, the flip-flop becomes reset, and when the both are 1, the output signal is no change. Now at first let us draw the circuit diagram of ASR flip-flop using NOR gate. NAND gate it is. NAND gate logic diagram. Okay, now let us draw. So at first, as it is using NAND gate, so we have to draw here the NAND latch first. This is our NAND latch. It is already known to us, QN bar, and in NAND latch it is change. S becomes in upper gate, this becomes in lower gate. We have already known this. Now here we have to add another NAND gate. In ASR flip-flop using NOR gate, we have used AND gate in order to feed the clock signal, but in NAND gate we have to add NAND gate in order to input clock signal just, and another gate is input is upper gate is S, lower gate is R. Here same circuit, but here NAND gate is used to feed clock signal, and in NOR gate AND is used. Here NAND is used where AND is used, and this one is the NAND latch. Okay, now here the input is S clock R, that means 3 input. So now let us draw the truth table. Of ASR flip-flop using NAND. Let us see. Here the input is 3 input. One is clock, another is S, another one is R. Output is QN plus 1 and state. Okay, so our first case is whenever clock is 0. Clear? Let us see what will happen when clock is 0. Suppose here clock is 0. Clock is 0 means here it is 0. One input signal of this to AND gate is 0. Now this is the truth table of AND gate. I have already written here. When the input is 0, whatever be the one input signal is 0, whatever be the another input signal, the output always 1. Mind it. When one of the input of NAND gate is 0, whatever be the other output value, whether it is 0 or 1, both the output is 1. So here one input signal is 0, then it does not matter whatever be the value of S and R, the output always 1. Clear? As output is 1, so here S also 1 and R also 1, because this output goes as an input in second gate. So S1 R1. Now this is the SR latch using NAND gate. Now for S1 and R1 in SR latch using NAND gate, let us see what will be the output. If both S and R are 1, then output will be no change. That means if clock is 0, whatever be the value of S and R, the output will be no change. So we can write whatever be the value of S and R, output will be no change. That is storage. Clear? Now so as we don't have to consider the value of S and R, when the clock is 0, the flip-flop will not get activated as it stored the previous value. Now let us check other condition. Other condition means when clock is 1, flip-flop is 0, S and R, both the inputs is 0, 0. So as there are two inputs, there are 4 conditions, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. As two inputs, 4 condition, and we have to check this 4 condition when clock is high. Okay, for our first case, let us check. Suppose clock is 1, S and R both are 0. So here clock is 1, that means one input signal is 1, S 0, R 0. So for NAND gate we know that one of the input signal is 1, output is 1. So here output is 1. This output feed as an input, that means S1 and R1. For S1 and R1 NAND latch, this is no change. So here we can write this value is no change, storage. Okay. Now for second condition, clock is 1, S0, R1. Here S0, R1. Now clock is 1, S0, R1. Okay. For NAND gate, S0, 1. 0, 1 means 1. So it is 0, 1 means 1. And here both are 1, 1, 1 is 0. So here S is 1, R is 0. So for S1 R0, the output of NAND latch will be S1 R0. It is reset. So we can write here it is 0 reset. That means just keep in mind this input is written here. Okay, this S and R is the input of this one, and we get output ultimately after passing through the second output. So as this is the latch which we have learned before, so this output totally the truth depends upon the truth table of the ASR latch using NAND. Okay, that output we get from this the truth table of that latch. Only we have to check the input of S and R from this condition. Okay, now our next state. Next state is when clock is high, input is 1 and 0, means S1 R0. So our condition is clock is 1, S is 1, R is, here clock is 1, S is 1, R is 0. So for 1 1 NAND gate is 0, so it is 0, and for 1 0 NAND gate is 1, so it is 1. So as first output is 0, it is fed as input is 0 and it is 1, it is 1. That means this input of this latch is S0 R1. So S0 and R1 we get S0 R1. It becomes set. So it is 1 set. Okay, now our last condition. Last condition is clock high, both S and R both are high. So clock high S1 R1. For NAND gate, when both are 1, output is 0, that means it is 0, it also 0, so S also 0, R also 0 for ASR latch. Let us see S0 and R0 error latch, it is forbidden state. So it is forbidden. Okay, now this truth table, so we get that whenever clock is 0, the flip-flop will not get activated, that is it is acts as a storage. Whenever clock gets high value, the output changes accordingly. When S and R both are 0, it also acts as storage. When S is 0, R is 1. That means when reset is input is 1, the flip-flop changes is reset state. When set input is 1, flip-flop changes is set state. When both are 1, it is forbidden state. This truth table of ASR flip-flop using NAND gate is same as ASR flip-flop using NOR gate. Here you can see this is a truth table of ASR flip-flop using NOR gate. This truth table is same as truth table of ASR flip-flop using NAND gate. Okay, 0 means no change. When clock is 0, it acts as storage, that means flip-flop will not get activated. When clock is high, both are 0, it is no change. When reset is 1, flip-flop is 1, is in reset condition. When set is 1, set's input signal is 1, flip-flop in set condition, and when both are 1, flip-flop is in forbidden condition. Okay, so both the truth table either using NAND gate or NOR gate of ASR flip-flop, truth table will be same. If it is mentioned in the question that draw ASR flip-flop using NAND gate or NOR gate, then you should draw that type of flip-flop accordingly, otherwise you can use any one of them. Okay, now block diagram is same obviously, because in block diagram there is no design of gate, so block diagram will be same. But here upper one is S, below one is R, it is clock, and it is Qn plus 1, it is flip-flop. Okay, so this is the diagram of flip-flop using NAND gate and the truth table. Okay, just remember both the truth table are same, but truth table of NAND and NOR latch of Acer diagram is not same, but Acer flip-flop or NAND and latch, NAND and NOR are same. Okay.